Hi, it's Craig, WJ6F. Today's video, we're going to be looking at the Stun, Kill, Revive on the TD-H3 from Tidradio. They did send me another radio because we're also going to look at the Harmonics once again. And we'll get to it right after this. As you recall from the first video I did on the TD-H3, I was sent this black one. I contacted them and talked to them about the Harmonics. They told me that if you change any part of this radio to where you can switch it to GMRS or unlock it completely, that it'll mess with the Harmonics. So I asked them to verify that, and they sent me a clear radio, and I wanted a different color so that we could differentiate the first from the second radio. I'm also going to use these two radios once we're done with the Harmonics to show you the Stun, Kill, Revive system. That helps you in case your radio is stolen or lost. Okay, I've got everything set up to test the Harmonics. You can see the L, we're on low power, and we're using 146.520 for the frequency. Everything's hooked up to the Tiny SA Ultra. Let's give this a shot. And we'll give it a second to settle down. Well, as we can see, while both of these harmonics are below 40 dB from the fundamental, they are above the blue line, which is the 25 microwatts or negative 16.02 dB. What does that mean? It means this radio, just like the previous one, is basically not legal for use in the US. I did not change this radio. It is exactly how it was sent to me from the factory. It is still set for ham as far as I know. I did not change it to GMRS. I did not unlock it. I made no alterations to the radio. Okay, first thing you want to do to set up your radio for the Stun, Revive, Kill, go ahead and connect the USB to your radio and to the computer. Then we're going to go to the Tidradio website, tidradio.com. Hover over Program and click on Walkie Talkie Software. Once you click on that, it'll bring you to this page. Find the model you want, because they do have TD-H3 ham and TD-H3 unlocked. Go ahead and use TD-H ham if that's what you've got, or TD-H3 GMRS, depending on which one you ordered. Click on it, click on this download button, and then install the software on your computer. Okay, once you have it all installed on your computer, go ahead and click on it. It should be on your desktop somewhere. Open up the program. You want to get to the set, because you need to make sure that you have the right communication port. In my case, COM4 is the only option. Then for program, you can either use read data from interphone, don't understand that, or read. You'll see all this gobbledygook here, just hit read, and it starts going. Hit OK and close. And it gives you all these frequencies that were installed prior. Once you've got everything all cleared out, you can put in a frequency that you may want to use. I'll just use the gratuitous national call. Then once you have that, you can go up here to optional feature, or correction, DTMF. And this is where you'd put in, you have the stun box and kill box. And they have to be 6 digits, so we're just going to be simple. For stun, we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for kill, we'll use 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Click OK. You can make any other changes you want to. Squelch level, heck, we'll put that at 3. Timeout, we'll make that 120. Have the name show on these. We can have name on channel A and frequency on channel B. Sync is on. That's pretty much everything. Once you've got everything situated the way you want, you can go ahead and write to the radio. And there it goes. And you'll see it reboots itself. And you're all done. Once you're finished with the first radio, you're going to do the same thing with the next one. because remember, they have to match. Go ahead and read from that radio. And go up to your edit, DTMF. And I've already got it in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for kill. If you're happy with the way everything looks, go ahead and write that all to the radio. I'm going to show you how to put these in the stun or kill mode, and also how to bring them back out of it, what they call revive. Now both of these radios have to be on the same frequency. So it kind of assumes that you and a friend, spouse, significant other, what have you, your kids are using the same radios, and one of them or you misplaces, loses, or it's stolen. Well, to use the stun mode, what you're going to want to do, it uses DTMF. So you're going to push star, and then enter your little secret 6-digit code. Once you have that, go ahead and hit the push to talk. That sends it, and then when you try and use the other radio, it's locked out. It looks like it works, but no matter what button you push, it locks out. Now even turning it off and removing the battery will not unlock it. Now, say you find your radio, you've apprehended the thief, or the kid found it, enter your code again, and this time followed by the pound sign, or what they call now the hashtag. Hit push to talk. It goes through. And you can again use the radio. Now for the kill, it's the exact same thing. You hit your asterisk, and this one you won't see anything on the screen like you did before. Hit your secret code, and for kill we have 654321. Hit the push to talk, and you see how it says kill all lock. Nothing works. You can turn it off, you can remove the battery, it does not matter. Once the power comes back on, it's again set to that same thing. And again, to bring it out, enter your code, followed by the pound sign, hit the push to talk, and once it sends it, it unlocks the radio, and you can use it as normal. WJ6F testing. That's all there is to it for the stun, kill, revive feature. I do like this stun, kill, revive feature. I've had my kids use radios before. They are licensed. And if they do misplace it, it is nice to know that I can lock the radio out and not have to worry about someone else using it. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. If you'd like to help support the channel, there is a Patreon link in the description area. And while you're here, why don't you check out one of these other videos? And again, thanks for watching.